Right, so what we have here is broken handles on an old PVC window. They're pop riveted in, so you need to bore out the rivets, okay? So with your cordless drill, okay, make sure the bit is big enough. It's about a 3/8 bit, and this will bore out. So the things will go down. Oh, it's on hammer. I don't want it on hammer. Right, okay. You bore the four of them, the heads of the rivets out. Okay. Right, it's not coming out yet. Right, so I'll pour it out a bit more. So carefully just lever that off, and that's your old broken handle off. Okay, now these rivets, you gotta chop these off. One, two, three. Now see if the new handle matches the old holes. So this one is not actually bored up right. Okay. They do. Oh, slightly. So that's good. Now you have to try to pop these. There. That's actually pushing that up, so you get a look there. Be very careful with the rivets on the glass. So the hole is slightly off, so we're gonna just bore it. So we're gonna screwdriver here to stop it hitting the glass. Here is a pop riveter or rivet gun. So that's your rivet. You put it in there like that. There, that's it. Now, that's it, good. Now you pull the handles together, keeping the head tight on the top of the rivet, and that will bubble the rivet and pop. That's it. Okay, that's two. So here we are, two handles riveted on, open.